Day 7. Just got here to this waterfall. Check this bitch out.
Take my horse to the hotel road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Take my horse to the hotel road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Oh shit, you haven't seen off-road like this before. Yeah, Leo. Woo! Yeah. Off-roading with the man on the hood. We drove up a mountainside off-roading. We got stuck in some mud. So now we're going by foot. We reached somewhere, I guess towards the top of one mountain. And this is the view. Wow. So nice. Can't believe I'm on top of the fucking mountain right now. And there's just plains and a horse just chilling. Rami's about to attempt just off-roading this shit. Good luck to my dude over here. I'm gonna watch from up here because it's much safer. We're smart. I don't know about him. Oh. You good? Yeah, I don't know about that.
Oh, there you Alo. Sasafia.
Akana kutai shitsmao. So we went back for the car, got it unstuck, and now we came here with the car. Well, we made it up the mountain. Now we're going down.
Took us 45 somewhere an hour of off-roading to get here.
This is very well made. You see this?
So nice.
Crazy. All thanks to this man. Bro, you see him? Yo, he went. This man's wild.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that too.
Okay. Oh, I'm so scared. This is homemade, bro. I'm about to shit myself. Oh, wow, bro. Basically, we're down in the canyon where we were just swinging at from the top of the mountain. Hiked all the way down. Man lived there said his horse gets down here very quick. This nigga dancing while pissing. You see that? I saw that. That's crazy. But he gets there hella quick with a horse. So I was saying why we don't go tame some wild horses and get down here ourselves, but guess I'm with too many softies out here. This shit's untouched, uncivilized, uncharted. I'm basically Christopher Columbus. You made it to the Champions Club. Oh, what the fuck is that thing? That's a salamander. That nigga quick. Shit, man, scared me my life. My balls just dropped from the cold water earlier.
You know how in the US we have these hiking places we go to?
Yeah.
Bro, what the fuck are those today?
Facts.
I just crossed like 20 rivers in a fucking 2-hour off-road.
2 mountains.
It's hard. Oh, you gotta have a really good time here.
With my soulless Roshis. Hike this shit out of this bitch. And just made it by the river. Literally dying. It's some crazy holy shit hike. Yo G, how you doing?
Oh, great.
Yeah? How's the hike? How would you rate the difficulty?
Difficulty mad hard.
Whew. But
We've been out for 2 hours, man.
yeah, we've been hiking for holy shit. We had to off-road for an hour with the car, now we're hiking 2 hours. And we're still not at our destination. But at least there's water nearby, so we're surviving if anything. After 2 hours of hiking between 2 mountains, in a canyon between 2 mountains. Was it worth it? I think so. Wow. This is mountain water. This is so cold. 200-meter waterfall in a canyon between 2 mountains. There's a sick fucking freshwater pool. For drone. Hey! Yo, G! Honestly, I might take a dip. Ready? Yeah! Woo! Just came out of the water. Had to take a dip at the waterfall. Like what? How am I gonna hike all this way and not take a dip? But water was sick.
I also took a dip.
Also took a dip. Water was sick, out of this world. It was, wow, it was worth the hike. Definitely was. Peace.
I love Saurba.
Ah! Ah! You see, this is what a 2-hour hike does to you when you're starving. Oh, now we're sprinting. Oh, this is not a stable tree. There's Garami on his rocks. Fuck it, this tree's easy to claim. You just gotta sprint across. That's the secret of hiking. If you're unsure, sprint across. Borjomi, sponsored. And now we back with the group. Sharma. So currently in this one man's cabin, this local, very nice gentleman just offered to grab me some fresh squeezed milk right from the cows right there. I was craving one today. Boom. Local nicest man right here. great culture.
The guide dog on his own trail. Look at this guide dog. Who's helping us through this off-road obstacle. We have a whole guide dog that's guiding us through this. Bro, a whole guide dog to guide us through this off-road experience. He even waits for us.